everyone, Dan Hurd, Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I'm back here on my dream claim. Today, with the metal detector, we're gonna find some nuggets. We're walking way upstream, like a half hour from the trucks to some, hopefully, quite virgin ground, where we have found nuggets before. But I'm going to the other side of the creek, where I've never detected. Wish me luck, and I hope you enjoy. Crossing the creek is no easy task, but this is beautiful. Absolutely love this. There's Mike and Pete on the far side. They said they were crossing, but I think they wimped out. Oh, they're gonna cross right there, the calm water. So I got to where I wanted to get to, right across from where we found all those nuggets last year, but I don't see what I want to see. I want to see exposed bedrock over here, and I'm just not seeing it in amongst the boulders. So I'm gonna explore with the metal detector right now, but not quite what I want. May have to cross back over to the other side. So I just went for an hour-and-a-half walk upriver, hoping to find more of that exposed, decomposed bedrock that we found on the other side. Found one okay-looking deposit, but metal detector didn't set off at all anywhere around it. And most of the area was just shale slides from above. So this side seems to be a bit of a bust right now. I'm heading back over to the other side and see if I can make up for the lost time and maybe find some gold.
So, unfortunately, I had a bit of a glitch on my camera and the microphone stopped working. So I have about a minute worth of footage that has no audio. Now, normally I just throw this away, except it is the most exciting part of the whole video. So I'll have to do some voiceover here. Now, I crossed over the river because there was no gold on the other side. I came over to see Mike. Mike wasn't doing very well. So I started detecting. And as I was detecting, I found a signal. And I ran up the bar to get my camera. No, Pete made a joke that when I run for a camera that fast, it must be good. And yes, I found a very nice signal here. It was jumping straight to the gold range. It sounded perfect. Beep, beep, beep. It was an absolute perfect sound, and I just knew it was gold. So, put down the detector, pulled out the pick, started picking around. I have found before at this bar, when I just pick into the broken up bedrock here, I often find the signals that the metal detector is setting off. And they're usually not very deep, because this is all broken up bedrock, and it's very, very shallow. A little bit of picking, and I didn't find anything. So rechecked with the detector, bit more picking, still didn't find anything. Put down the camera for a second. And then as soon as I put down the camera, I picked in and I saw just a flash of yellow. So pick up the camera real quick, and there it is. Oop, there it is. It was an amazing little nugget. Luckily, my close-up camera still has audio.
3. That's a piece of gold.
Holy smokes, yeah, that's 3. I got a solid.
Yeah, that's probably a 3-grammer. Nice. Whoop, there it is. Into the sucker bottle it goes.
But my good camera still doesn't have audio. Now, I took out the metal detector and went back over the spot where the nugget was, and there was a second signal right there, right on top of where the first signal was. And it wasn't nearly as bright or strong, but there was definitely a weak signal there. So, back at it, checking around where that nugget was, picking through again, and looking to see what it was. Because there was one nugget there, I basically knew there was going to be another piece of gold. It wasn't going to be garbage. It was going to be gold. And sure enough, what do I see? Another piece.
There it is. Just a small one, though. Very, very small nugget. Let's get on my finger so you can see it better. There we go. It's only like a 0.1 or a 0.2, but because it was sitting right beside the other nugget, definitely need to spend more time right here and see what else there is.
And then the audio started working.
So I had a small weird signal. It was gold, it was iron, it was gold, it was iron, back and forth. Mike had his pan handy, so I said, Mike, scoop this up and go pan it out. He didn't even get to the water before he wahooed. Wahooed!
What is in there? I don't know if the light, can you see it?
He can see it right in his pan.
There it is.
A nice flake of gold. Let's get out the close-up cam. There we are. There's Mike's first piece of the day. Well done, Mike.
Yay me!
So we've cleared a fairly wide swath here and found one good nugget, one good picker, one large flake, and a couple of small flakes. No other large nuggets though. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna move to next. I definitely have to move back to my backpack to get some water. So I have another really nice signal. Straight gold, sitting on bedrock, in a crack. Let's get my shadow out of the way. Looks good. Let's see what her is. What her is? What her is? I speak good English. Right in here. Aha! That quick.
There it is.
Whoop! There it is. Woohoo! Nice big flake. She's a beaut. There it is. Just a big flake this time. Not a nugget. A very, very big flake. Woohoo! Very thin, but very large flake of gold. I like it. Well, that was just the first few feet of this area I've cleaned. Found a flake. Let's continue and see if the rest of it has anything. And then have a nap. Got another signal. Let's see what her is. What her is. Okay, what's with me and my English? Let's go find it. You see which way it's going?
Both ways.
Still going both ways. Nothing, yeah. It's a rock or something. It's in that.
Moving. Oh, that's gold.
Going gold?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it! I see it! Woohoo!
Where is it?
It's another one.
Nice piece.
There's another one.
I'm picking it up.
There's the next piece of gold. I'm having a great day detecting. Loving this. It's got some character. It's a roughin'.
Is that? Yeah, what is it?
Into the suffer bottle and see if we can find some more. And another signal. Let's see what it is. Never mind, that was my camera. It was detecting my camera nicely. Okay. Over there somewhere. If I don't see it picking around like this, I just take everything, throw it in my pan, and go down and pan it out. But it's much more fun seeing it come out, even if it takes longer. And I'm not seeing it. This may be going into my pan. This may not be gold at all. Let's throw it all in my pan. So there it is. It was just a little flake. Nice thing about the Gold Monster 1000 is it can pick up those little flakes so nicely. Should take this opportunity right now to thank the guys at Kellyco for supplying me with the Gold Monster 1000. If you need any metal detecting equipment, there's a link below for Kellyco. For US citizens only, unfortunately. If you're here in Canada, there's lots of great metal detector dealers that you can deal with. And Pete just found a nice flake.
And I guess we had
So this was another one that the signal was questionable, so we just had Pete pan out everything around the area, and the questionable signal turned into a very nice flake of gold. Well done, Pete.
Thanks, Dan.
Here's Mikey's take for the day. Nice thing about the gold at this claim, it's all coarse. Even the small stuff has thickness to it. She's chunky. Well, we had a blast today. I'm guessing I found 3 to 4 grams metal detecting. When I get home, I'll clean it up and weigh it and show you right here. Here's my gold for the day. Just under 3 grams. Detected on that bar. Absolutely loving it. That's sitting on a piece of jade if you're wondering what that green background is. I hope you enjoyed our little adventure on my dream claim metal detecting. Too bad there wasn't anything on the far side, but this side's still showing some pretty nice gold. Thanks everyone for watching, and a big thanks to my patrons out there. Because of the support of my patrons, I get to offer weekly episodes of Dan Hurd Prospecting. If you'd like to learn how to support my channel, head off to patreon.com/Dan Hurd. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. I am loving this sunshine. Yesterday it was snowing. Today it is amazing. I hope you're having a great day. And until the next one, bye.